Alright, it's like, I don't know, 11:05. Park closed at 11. Like, honestly, you know, no one leaves at 11. So all the PhotoPass pictures, or PhotoPass people had lines. So I thought that was interesting. So I guess they'll keep taking their pictures forever. So we'll see how long it takes me to get on a bus. Wow. Should be interesting. I'm also taking some pictures on the way out. I love how Main Street looks at night. I wonder if they'll have special 4th of July maps tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. I know sometimes for holidays, I feel like they have had special maps. And this is when you wish you were staying at Contemporary. And you can just like, I think you can literally walk to Contemporary. But nope. You go on a ferry boat, so the ferry boat line is all the way back there. So I'm going to the bus. And Pop Century is like the very last bus. But like, that doesn't make sense. Like All Stars should be the very last bus, not Pop Century. It did rain today, just for like, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. So I didn't take my poncho out, so I will have to hang that. But I didn't leave it on long because look at the top of the poncho on. Alright.
Have a great night, friends.
Century.
Where are we going? Sports? Gonna be 32, right this way.
Can't read that far.
Oh, yeah.
Pop.
Pop Century,
Yeah.
26.
Love your mustache.
Thank you so much.
Okay, 26. Just when I see the line, so I can tell you how many hours I don't have to take for a bus. Because at Pop, it was completely out of the turnstiles, and it took me like 5 buses. Or not turnstiles, what is it, like, I don't want to say barricades, the rope. Okay, so see there's Pop, so I'm going to press it here on the right. So they are loading one right now. It does look completely full though. So yes, it's going to take me a while. Good times. Looks like it's a little bit out. Sorry about the bumpiness. My time is definitely now. All right, I just made it back to the room. It took about 45 minutes to get on a bus. I'm gonna go get some ice. I bought a 12-pack of Dr. Pepper on Thursday, so I'm determined to drink 12 cans before I leave. Sorry, I don't mean to snort. Anyway, so the bus I got on, I did have to stand, but a nice guy gave up a seat for me. I did not ask. He just said, hey, you sit down. And I was like, alrighty then, I definitely will. So I have, I get it, I'm gonna wait because there's someone there. I'll go out here. I have vasculitis, also called like golfer's rash. So I get it every time we come to Florida when it's hot. So I did not get it in April. So if you don't know what it is, pretty much, if you have, apparently I have poor circulation. So when it gets really hot and you sweat around your socks in that area, the pores get clogged and it causes a rash. And like I said, this happens in Florida. So your cure is to wear compression socks. So like when you make fun of older men with their high socks, that's why. That's why. There's a reason why they're wearing these high socks. Because they're wearing, sorry, getting my they're wearing compression socks. So I have not resorted to that yet, but obviously I'm gonna have to. But since it didn't happen when we came in April, I didn't really think about it. But pretty much yesterday, the first day, it happened immediately. So it doesn't hurt or anything. It just looks bad. Like if someone looking at it, it kind of almost looks like a burn. So yeah, I'm dealing with that. So I gotta just wash my ankles and stuff tonight to clean them up. I'm sure this is not something you guys wanted to know. But anyway, it's real for us middle-aged people that we have to worry about vasculitis when you have poor circulation. I don't know what to do to get your circulation better, but apparently you're supposed to drink plenty of water and wear compression socks, which I'm definitely drinking a lot of water, but I don't have compression socks. I need to get some of those. All right, so good night. Tomorrow is Epcot and 4th of July. Well, I guess it's technically already 4th of July. It's 4th of July, yay! And tomorrow is Epcot.